Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. This is my February 2018 Target Beauty box, and it's called Honest Beauty because what is inside are all Honest Beauty products. It went live Monday morning at like 2 a.m. on the 5th of February, and I got it today in the mail, which is February 13th. So normally you order on Monday and I get it on Friday. So, and I know the post office was open yesterday, but for some reason it took a little bit longer to get here than normal. Anyway, it was a $7 box, which is very common. It's usually $7. You pay tax, but no shipping. So I paid $7.48, I think. And you get to see what you're getting, so you can decide if you want to order it or not. Sometimes they have men and women boxes. They have baby boxes quite often, and they're usually just about $5 to $7. Very rarely has it ever been $10, but when it is $10, it's definitely worth that value. Anyhow, I can't remember what's in here, and I don't think, honestly, I've ever tried an Honest product. I don't recall anyway, so this will be new to me. Anyway, so let's see what's inside. And when they go live, you gotta order it right away. And I have insomnia, so I'm up, 20 hours a day anyway. So I automatically order it as soon as I see it pop up on my email saying that it's live, or I follow my subscription addiction, and she'll post out emails, at 2 in the morning saying it's live. So I'll follow that and then immediately order. So anyway, here is the thing inside. It says Honest Beauty, clean beauty that works. Oh, and as per usual, you get a coupon. This one's $5 off $20 of Honest Beauty products, and it has a description of what's everything inside here, which that's pretty cool. Oh, and then more descriptions on perhaps how to use it, how many ounces, that kind of thing. A nice, pretty blush colored tissue paper. Not really blush, but like a light pink. Okay, well, here is organic facial oil, everything organic facial oil. I'm worried about oil on my face, but okay. Itty bitty tiny little thing of everything primer, luminous base. Oh, has an interesting, the dog is licking something on the ground. Oh, I like that. It's a nude colored primer. Obviously will leave probably a luminous, yeah, see, you can see the glittering kind of stuff in there. So, it smells like crayons. Okay, anyhow. Next we have Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. It too looks like it's, well, maybe the bottle is just nude. Ah. Come on, okay, no, it's just white. Well, now my hand's gonna smell like, oh, that's nice and fresh and tingly feeling. I like that. I like that smell. Okay. Next we have Honest Beauty Gel Cleanser. Okay. And then maybe this might be the last thing. This is an Honest Beauty Invisible Blurring Powder. Dust on for silky picture perfect finish. That's cool because I'm almost out of my current setting powder. So cool. See what's in y'all. Honest Beauty, it's a nice size. You can get a good brush in there. And let's see. Oh no. Perchance can't get this thing off. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh no, I can't get it off. Well, okay. It looks like banana powder. See the color? I won't put too much there. But yeah, it's looks like that banana color stuff. Very powdery, so that's nice. Okay, so that's it. And I'm sure, even though they're tiny samples, they're good products. I've heard nothing but good stuff about Honest products, so that's nice. So again, a blurring powder, a cleanser, a primer, and a deep hydration cream, and a facial oil. So that's not too bad. I don't know what the values of all of them, but the coupon alone, you know, almost pays for the entire box if you'd like to for the purchase. Now I wanted to share with you, I've never ordered Smashbox before. I have gotten numerous samples from either Birchbox or Ipsy or whatever, but I've never ordered from Smashbox. So I got this in the mail yesterday, and I knew I'd never, look how nicely packaged it is. It's really nicely packaged. Now I ordered, it was free shipping. I follow a group on Facebook called like Birchbox Ipsy Swap or something like that. And I've never swapped or bought anything, but they give out makeup hints and deals and all this kind of stuff, coupons, that kind of thing. And so some lady in the middle of the night said that hurry, Smashbox is with $10 order you get 3 free deluxe samples and 2 foil packets, I believe it was, in free shipping. So all those was $10. So all this stuff in here is $10. So, however, I opened it up yesterday just to make sure it was all in there, and one thing was missing. I called today. She immediately checked the stock, has it, and is mailing me a free sample. So, I mean, that's very, very nice. So in here we have the item that I purchased for $10 was called Smashbox Studio To Go Lips. I got lip stuff on right now, but it is an Insta Matte mattifying, and they have really good packaging. They like really are concerned about their products being damaged. So this is an instant mattifying lipstick transformer and the actual lipstick. Now, to my understanding, I don't think there was an option of what color to choose, but what came is legendary, and that is a bright, almost brick red color. I wonder if I could use this. Yeah, I was afraid to make my lips dark. Whatever, do what you gotta do, huh? So, whoa, that is really red. So, that's really red. I wear red on occasion, so I'm not hating it. So maybe, I'm assuming, I don't really know, I should read these things, but I guess you put the lipstick on and then you put the mattifying on. And I can't read that. There will be no way on earth I can read that. So I'm just gonna do what I gotta do and put this on. I wonder if it was backwards. So, let's see. See, I may not get the right effect because I didn't read the instructions. But that's really bright red. Feels powdery now though. So anyway, anyhow, okay, so this is I don't think I've ever had Photo Finish primer, so I really wanted to try this. It's just a small foil packet of Photo Finish foundation primer, which is like everybody in the world has, but I've never gotten. Okay, then I also got this Photo Finish pore minimizing. Now I do have a Smashbox illuminating one, which I don't like very much. And then there's a Smashbox Photo Finish lid primer in natural. There's 2 of them here, so that's good. And then they package very nicely. This is the other free deluxe sample. So the free deluxe samples were this, and then I got a blurring stick, and the blurring stick didn't come in the package. So they checked, and that's gonna come. But what did come was this what is it called? Eyebrow thing. With a brush. So a little angled brush with a Smashbox. For the love of Jesus. Like, why do I get my stuff into these things? I don't know. I can't open it. I can't even begin to tell you how to open it. It's got like this weird, oh, look how tiny that is. But, I mean, I'm still working on this brow powder probably 15 years. But here is, you know, 3 different colors. That's kind of nice. All kind of like, it's like a cream to etch out or whatever you call it. And then 2 powders in light colors for the brow with a cute little brush. So that is another free sample. So anyway, that is amazing. I'm very, very happy with what came. So the Smashbox order and the Honest Beauty. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of Smashbox. If you like all their other products, and maybe we'll give that a shot. And I hope everybody is enjoying their Honest Beauty Box. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'm going to continue on with 2 more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.